I was sick for about a week and I was in bed a lot, and I was using a smartphone on Wi-Fi, just spending some time on the internet. And then I got a targeted ad. More than once, actually. I got the same ad in different fonts and colors. And this targeted ad said, "Are you rotting in bed, not responding to text messages, and not going outside?" And I was like, what? I responded to a lot of texts. I responded to every text that I saw. I would give myself a 99% for responding to texts. That really stuck in my head. I would like to go outside again. I miss going outside. And, so I guess I will need to put on shoes. These are UFOs. Really living anywhere, we always have to be in our beds and our shoes and our chairs, which makes me think that all three of those things should be comfortable. One day I'll show you my chair collection. That is definitely something. Okay, we have an hour subway ride to take to where we're going. I think you'll like it. A deer. Someone uploaded Hands on a Hard Body to YouTube, the whole movie. It was about 24 people in Texas who compete for a free Nissan truck, and the last person to take their hands off it wins. It's an old DVD movie, so it probably didn't look that good on YouTube, but it was free, so I watched it. And then I felt like a criminal. They were saying maybe the world record is about 100 hours. I just had no idea. I thought that if people were doing that, they would just automatically fall asleep or fall down to the ground. Then that reminded me of, okay, well, forgive me, I'm going to say a really weird word, but I will explain myself. That reminded me of psychocybernetics. In psychocybernetics, it's a real book. In my 20s, every one of my friends was telling me to read this book, and I was like, that is a weird word. Are you crazy? You're weird. I'm not doing that. And then finally enough people told me to read it that I did. And the whole point is, if you think you can do something, you can actually do way more. If you can run 1 mile, you can actually run 10. If you think you can run 10 miles, you can actually run 100. If I really wanted to stay up for multiple days and put my hands on a truck, I could do it. I don't think I want to do that, though. That sounds really painful. But it was very impressive. The documentary was great. It was just a relaxing, thoughtful, deep, but funny and good documentary. It's just a good quality documentary. It wasn't a life-changing documentary, but it was a good one. Got a Coke Zero and a hot dog with sauerkraut, raw onion, and mustard. Here, have a bite before I eat the whole thing. The soda sizes were small, regular, and large, and I was thinking, well, it's a warm day. I could get a regular. It's pretty big. It's humongous, actually. I think it's really big. It's like the same size as my head. Conveniently, we have a banana for scale. So, let me show you. Okay, I'm not complaining. I guess it's good to have too much soda. Especially, I guess, if it's, refreshing. I think I have soda once every few weeks. I haven't had a soda for like 2 weeks now. Do I even deserve such a big soda? Have I even done anything profound? I always think a soda is like a celebration because it's fizzy and tasty. I can't really have it every day. I'd have to be really special and do really amazing things to deserve soda every day. Big soda, huh? I'm using my towel to hide from the sun, but I really like beaches. I always think when I'm at a beach, why can't I just stay here forever? And I definitely think I should probably go to more places that make me feel that way. Or just come back to the beach more often. I only come here every couple years. I could be coming here every week, even in the winter, just looking out at the beach. I have no excuse. Also, I think there was a 102-year-old or something like that who just recently climbed to the top of Mount Fuji and back. So, what's my excuse?